Welcome to part 3 of this video, and it comes with a screwdriver. Cool. We all love our screwdrivers. It comes with the battery charger. Are these pellets or something? I don't know. Comes with a whole bunch of things that look like pellets. I'm hoping it's something else. Water absorbent bullets. Okay. I don't know if I'll even use these, but it looks super cool. I mean, wow, look at this. It's got a turret and these fantastically odd-looking wheels. Boy, is that fun. Now, let's see this thing here. Hopefully, oh, this is always a drawback. I don't like it when they give you remotes that you have to unscrew. But hopefully it'll not require the thing. I can just leave it unscrewed. Oh, only 2 AA.
Likey.